Okay, what we've got going on here now is that the photo shoot's moving along nice at a pretty good pace here. We've got this awesome looking 56 two-door sedan sitting out here on the turntable, and we've got our shots for the most part. So now we're taking some kind of like close-up glamour shots of certain highlighted areas of the vehicle here. We will probably do this on some of the other vehicles now that time is starting to open up, and just gives us more material and just more photographs, more content basically for our advertising and promotions and things like that. So, and really, it's a cool additional thing that we're able to do here. But as you can see, the car is just sitting out there just looking stunning under these lights. Just watching the photographer here do his job, and just making beautiful cars look even better. This is something else.